Hello friends, today we will discuss MCQs on Indian economy, important for various competitive examinations of UPSC, BPSC, JPSC, all. JTET is also included in it. Question number 1. Which sector contributes the largest share to India's GDP according to 2024 data? A. Agriculture, B. Industry, C. Services, D. Manufacturing. Answer is C. Services. The services sector, IT, banking, transport, education, healthcare, contributes 55 to 57% of India's GDP. IT companies like TCS and Infosys are part of the service sector. Question number 2. What does repo rate refer to in Indian monetary policy? A. Rate at which banks borrow from RBI. B. Rate at which RBI borrows from banks. C. Rate of interest on deposits. D. None of these. Answer is A. Rate at which banks borrow from RBI. Repo rate is the rate at which RBI lends short-term funds to commercial banks against government securities. If RBI reduces repo rate, home loans EMI may decrease. Question number 3. Which of the following is included in India's current account? A. Foreign direct investment. B. Remittances from abroad. C. External commercial borrowing. D. All of the above. Answer is B. Remittances from abroad. Current account includes trade of goods and services, income from abroad, that is remittances, transfers. NRI sending money home contributes to current account surplus. Question number 4. Which 5-year plan focused on the concept of inclusive growth? A. 9th, B. 10th, C. 11th, D. 12th. Answer is C. 11th. 11th plan, whose term was 2007 to 2012, targeted inclusive growth, ensuring benefits reach marginalized sections. Schemes like MG, NRE, JA, MG Narega were strengthened during this period. Question number 5. Operation Green is related to which of the following? A. Wheat production. B. Doubling farmers' income. C. Tomato, onion, potato, top. These three crops are called top crops. D. Organic farming. Answer is C. Tomato, onion, potato, top crops. Operation Green was launched to stabilize prices and ensure availability of these vegetables. Government provides subsidies for cold storage of top crops. Question number 6. Which committee recommended GST in India? A. Kelkar Committee. B. Chelia Committee. C. Vijay Kelkar Committee. D. Shom Committee. Answer is C. Vijay Kelkar Committee. Kelkar Committee 2003 recommended GST for a unified direct tax system. GST replaced multiple tax like VAT, service tax in 2017. Question number 7. The base year for calculating India's GDP as of 2024 is A. 2004-5, B. 2011-12, C. 2014-15, D. 2017-18. Answer is B. 2011-12. The base year for national accounts is 2011-12, recommended by CSO. GDP growth for 2023-24 is compared with 2011-12 prices. Question number 8. Which index measures inflation at the wholesale level in India? A. CPI, that is Consumer Price Index. B. WPI, Wholesale Price Index. C. IIP, and D. GDP deflator. Answer is B. WPI, Wholesale Price Index measures price changes at the wholesale level. If WPI rises, it indicates wholesale inflation. Question number 9. Which of the following is not a function of RBI? A. Issuing currency. B. Controlling inflation. C. Printing coins. D. Managing foreign exchange. Answer is C. Printing coins. Coins are minted by the government of India, not RBI. RBI issues rupees 2000 note, but coins come from mint. Question number 10. What is India's rank in terms of GDP? Nominal GDP in 2024. A. Third, B. Fourth, C fifth, D sixth. Answer is C fifth. India is fifth largest economy in the nominal GDP after USA, China, Japan, Germany. India's GDP nominal is $4 trillion in 2024. Question number 11. What does fiscal deficit mean? A. Excess of income over expenditure. B. Excess of expenditure over income. C. Revenue deficit plus capital receipts. D. None of these. Answer is B. Excess of expenditure over income. Fiscal deficit is equal to total expenditure minus revenue receipts plus non-debt capital receipts. India's fiscal deficit target for 24-25 is 5.1% of GDP. Question number 12. Who publishes the Index of Industrial Production, that is IIP? RBI, B. Ministry of Commerce and Industry, C. Niti Aayog, D. CSO. Answer is B. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. IIP measures industrial growth of manufacturing, mining, electricity sector. If IIP increases, it means higher industrial output. Question number 13. Which sector has the largest share in employment in India? A. Agriculture, B. Industry, C. Services, D. IT sector. Answer is A. Agriculture. Despite low GDP share, agriculture employs 40% workforce in India. Farmers growing rice, wheat. Question number 14. What does the term twin deficit refer to? Fiscal and current account deficit, B. Revenue and fiscal deficit, C. Budget and trade deficit, and D. None of these. Answer is A. Fiscal and current account deficit. When both fiscal deficit and current account deficit are high, it is called twin deficit. In 2012-13, India faced twin deficit due to high oil imports. Question number 15. Which of the following is a capital receipt for the government? A. Tax revenue, B. Non-tax revenue, C. Disinvestment proceeds, D. Interest from loans. Answer is C. Disinvestment proceeds. Capital receipts include borrowings, disinvestment, recovery of loans. Sale of shares in LIC is capital receipt. Question number 16. Which body replaced the Planning Commission in India? A. Finance Commission, B. Niti Aayog, C. National Development Council, D. Economic Advisory Council. Answer is B. Niti Aayog, established in 2015 to replace Planning Commission for policy planning. Niti Aayog prepares long-term development strategies. Question number 17. Which of the following is not included in GDP calculation? A. Value of goods produced in India, B. Services rendered in India, C. Sale of old car, D. Construction of a new house. Answer is C. Sale of old car. GDP includes current production, not the second-hand goods. Buying a second-hand car does not add to GDP. Question number 18. Which scheme guarantees 100 days of employment in rural areas? A. PM Kisan, B. MG Narega, C. PMGSY, D. PMAY. Answer is B. MG Narega. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act provides 100 days wage employment. Rural households get manual work under MG Narega. Question number 19. What is the meaning of stagflation? A. High growth plus high inflation. B. Low growth, low inflation. C. Low growth plus high inflation. D. High growth plus low inflation. Answer is C. Low growth plus high inflation. Stagflation is equal to stagnant growth plus inflation. 1970 is oil crisis caused stagflation globally. Question number 20. Which of the following is an example of direct tax? A. GST, B. Income tax, C. Excise duty, D. Custom duty. Answer is B. Income tax. Direct taxes are paid directly by individuals' firms. Income tax, corporate tax. For example, you pay income tax on your own salary. Thank you. If you like